Are you someone who often experiences insomnia? Let's be honest here. You have probably tried every single sleeping remedy out there. For example, counting sheep and tumbling around. A lack of sleep can cause you to fall asleep behind the wheel, lowers your productivity, and not paying attention to what's happening around you. Introducing Doze, a sleeping aid device that eases your mind and the key to a good night's sleep. Simply place Doze on your forehead, pair the app, and turn on the breathing light. Synchronize your breathing with a breathing light projected onto the ceiling and clear your state of mind. Doze releases pulsation that can relieve your tension, relax your mind, and help you fall asleep. The sophisticated design ensures peak efficiency so it can minimize the size of Doze. Are you someone who finds it very difficult to bear the sound of snoring? All you need to do is place Doze under your chin to stop you from snoring. Doze is the ideal device for anyone who wants to relieve stress, and most of all, looking for better sleep. What more is there to think about? Back this project now to get a good night's sleep.